Good morning, everybody. Brady's still a little sick. He's got a little bit of a cough. No,
I said I'm still a little tired.
You're still a little tired? He's a little crabby, apparently. He doesn't have a fever, though. He has not had a fever since yesterday afternoon, but I still kept him home from school today just because they should not have a fever for 24 hours until they're not contagious. So we're gonna go get stuff to make a big homemade pot of chicken noodle soup with big thick Amish noodles. So that's what we're gonna go do. It took me forever to scrape the truck, so we haven't drove in like 2 days. And I'm frozen, my hands are like frostbite. Snow everywhere. But anyways, yeah, it's Michigan. More snow, guys. Over it. But they did have school today, so that was good. Because they do not want, they want snow days, but they do not need to miss any more days of school. So anyways, we are going to get to the store. Brady's feeling okay, there's no fever. His cough is a little bit better. His nose isn't running as much. So he's getting a little bit better. And we are going to go run some errands and do that. And then we will be back. And maybe do like a Valentine craft or something with Brady. We'll see how the day goes. But it is Wednesday, February 7th already. It's flying by already, guys. We're halfway to Valentine's Day. 7 more days. Alright, guys. We will see you in just a few. What's up, everyone? So we are home. Got dinner cooking. Got some chicken noodle soup going. Just gotta add the noodles. I don't even know if there's going to be enough room for the noodles. Oh, my cat and dog are fighting, as usual. And then, I usually make biscuits, but didn't feel like it. So we're just going to have biscuits, crackers, and I love, and our family loves, the Amish noodles. So good. This is the chicken base that I use. We really like this one. But that's what we're having for dinner today because everybody's, well, not everybody, but Jason was a little bit sick. But he's better now. He got like a mild case of what Brady had, and then Brady's been sick, and I kind of felt a little nauseous last night, so I thought, what the heck, it's been cold, we're going to just make chicken noodle soup. That's what we're having for dinner. Homemade chicken noodle soup fixes everything, doesn't it, Ethan? Ethan's home, doing what he does best when he gets home. Eat a bunch of snacks. No real food.
What's real food?
Did you just leave one brownie in the pan? Why don't you just eat the last brownie and then put the pan in the sink?
Trying to get muscles.
Does everybody do that in your guys' house? Like, people leave the last thing because they don't want to be the one to eat the whole thing. They don't want to be the one to know that ate all of it. So they'll just leave one. Or they don't want to wash the dish. That happens too. Brady's in here. Relaxing. I think he's feeling normal again. He's starting to get his little grump face. You feeling any better today? Tell everybody how you're feeling today. What's wrong? Are you tired? Let me feel your head. You don't feel like you're getting a fever again? Still don't feel very good?
I do feel good.
You do feel good? You're just really stuffy? Yeah. I better get you a Kleenex. I've been blowing that kid's nose more than I've ever blown my own nose. Well, I finally got all the dinner and stuff done, so oh, I feel a sneeze coming on. Woo. So I have to edit my video from yesterday. So I am going to go get to that right now.
Hey everyone, so it's been about an hour since I got home, and as soon as I walked in the garage, my dad and I smelled this amazing chicken noodle soup. I'm very excited about that. That looks delicious. So, we haven't really been doing much since I got home. I've been playing with my slime and fixing it because it kind of got like harder for a while. Sorry, I need to pause this because I'm watching Stranger Things. And so I've been adding some lotion little by little to make it a little bit better. And I guess it's coming together a little bit. But it's still like super, like too thick, I guess is what I'm trying to say. To where it's not very good. But I guess it's a lot better now. So that's my little update. And I really like the color of it. Like in the natural light, it's really pretty. So that's pretty much all I've been really doing. Other than I got orange lemon water with essential oils to drink because I've been having a really bad cough and a really sore throat. So I think I'm getting a little bit of a cold, but I'll keep you guys updated because my voice is super scratchy too. And you do not know how many times I got the hiccup today too. I get them too much. So keep you updated on how I'm feeling, and I will see you guys later.
Dinner time! How's your dinner, Brady?
Good, I'm playing a random game.
You're playing a game? Brady ended up getting another little bit of a fever tonight, didn't ya? It was a little bit. 99.5. That's pretty low grade, but you still had it. So we just gave you a little bit of medicine, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Mama's homemade chicken noodle soup should help, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
That always works. How was work today?
Wasn't bad.
You missed me though, didn't you?
Always.
So I think the soup turned out good.
Looks good.
Got a lot of it.
That's fine.
That's how I do it. And then nobody ever wants to eat leftovers.
Soup's different.
I think so. How's the soup, guys?
Good.
Gracie's watching more slime videos.
She's watching for you.
She's going to be a slime pro.
Got a lot wrong with these.
So last night you were talking to Caitlin
Go
from the Gracie bunch. And how'd that go? I got a text from you saying she's so nice.
No.
She is nice.
That door.
Were you guys talking about meeting up? You guys weren't?
No, because we're not adults and we don't talk about stuff like that. We talk about school. And then I asked her if she colored pencil crayons.
She's not that far into Canada. They go to
She does.
Michigan a
I
lot.
sent her a picture. I said, what do you call these? She goes, we call those pencil crayons. What do you call those?
Cute. Oh, we got Brady's report card, which when he first started, which I think is kind of dumb that they did it the first week, but they gave him all N's, which says needs practice. Well, first of all, he didn't need practice on all of them because this one, he totally knew how to print his name or recognize his name. Yeah, he's just shy. And he knows his address, he knows all this stuff. So I was just so irritated. I was so irritated that they even said that I actually said something to them. So then this time it comes around and he's got W's, I's, and some G's. So, which is working on skill, improving, or good. So everything went up a lot. And the one I totally went off on them about was recognizing his name. He got the highest. Imagine that. What do you got?
Ice cream popsicle.
Ice cream popsicle? Ice cream bar. Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Did you find some special hearts on your door? In your bedroom? What did they say?
Etlo.
Do you want to show everybody when you're done eating your ice cream? All right. Is that good? Is it cold? Is it cold? Don't hurt your teeth though. You don't have too much to say, huh? All right, well, you enjoy the ice cream bar, and then we'll show everybody your door, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I think I mentioned this the beginning of February. And now we're on to February 7th. And I've been doing this to the kids' doors, and I got a little bit behind, but I got them caught up today. And Brady loves it, don't ya?
Yeah.
So what do?
Put hearts up on your door.
Every day I put a heart up there, don't I?
Well, sometimes you forget.
Yeah, and I had to catch it up today. So what's your door say? And this says, you're a good son. You are funny. I love your laugh. You're great at counting. You are cute. And I love you. So, every day...
Here, get some hearts on that one.
Every day I put something up that pertains to them or what I want to say to them. So Gracie, what's your door say?
It says, you play the French horn great, you sing beautiful, you're a good daughter. XOXO. Again, me having the hiccups. You have beautiful hair, and I'm so proud of you.
And
And I love you.
I love you. And we did it to Ethan's door too, didn't we? This is Ethan's door, and he went to bed.
I put that up there.
Brady put this magnet up there that's Gracie's. But Ethan says,
I love you. You are hardworking. You're funny. You're a good son. You make me smile. XOXOXO. And you play the trombone great.
so Brady remembered this from last year and reminded me, didn't ya, that I had to do it this year, or that he hoped I would do it this year. So I saw it on Pinterest. I love Pinterest, so I'm always searching on Pinterest, but actually it came from Pinterest, but I think somebody shared it on Facebook last year is where I actually ended up seeing it. But I don't know, it's cute, it's fun, it's only for 14 days. It's only for 14 days of the month, and the kids like it. Brady's gonna get ready for bed now. We gotta brush our teeth. Ethan?
What?
Good night. What are you doing? Are you talking to Rachel?
Yeah.
Are you on FaceTime? Let me see.
He's watching a weird movie.
Where is she?
A video.
You said you were FaceTiming.
I am.
I don't see her.
She's going to bed.
Hi.
Hi.
It's dark in my room. Are you feeling okay, Brady?
Yeah.
That's good.
Tell Rachel good night.
Good night, Rachel.
Good night.
Ethan, do you like your hearts?
Yeah,
Did you read them?
I did.
Why do you have so many water bottles up here?
I drink one.
Well, then put them in the garbage, please. Clean your garbage. Rachel, tell him to clean his room.
No, hold. Guys, I had to hold it for my Rubik's Cube.
Okay. Good night, Ethan. All right. You going to bed, Brady?
Yep.
Tell everybody good night.
This is how I hold it.
All right. Keep it right there. Tell everyone good night.
Good night. Good night.
That's how you're doing your hair tomorrow?
soldiers.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it on Booster.
Guys,
Cool.
good night, soldiers.
Good night, soldiers. You gotta go brush your teeth first. Come on to the bathroom. Come on.
Guys, watch this.
Yo, dabbing. Silly. Say, Gracie, this is my bathroom time.
Gracie, in the bathroom tub.
Good night.
Good night.
Love you too. Alright guys, so they are going to bed and we're gonna go to bed here in just a few. Alright guys, well I think we are going to close it up and call it a night. That's it for today's vlog. Didn't really do a lot of anything. It's hard and everybody's kind of feeling under the weather and Brady's been sick. So just kind of went to the store, got stuff to make soup, made soup, stuck around at home, and it's winter and we're tired of winter and there's nothing to do anymore. So I don't know, I might just start doing every other day vlogs until it gets a little bit more exciting and people start feeling better. And we do have some challenges and some games lined up, but we are going to be waiting to do those probably until the weekend and when everybody's feeling better, of course. So we do have some things that we have lined up and in mind that we're going to do. So stay tuned, bear with us. We are going to be making some better vlogs, some better videos, some better footage, but it's just kind of boring right now. There really just isn't a whole lot to do. But anyways, if you guys liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. We appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Anybody who is new to the channel and you've made it this far to the end of this video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell so you can get notifications every time we are on. We will see you guys tomorrow. My bright side today was just making a nice dinner for my family and that Brady is feeling better today. He still had a little bit of a fever this evening, but he is doing a lot better than he did yesterday, so that's good. And it's kind of been like coming on and off with him since like Friday, so hopefully it's the end of it. And Gracie's had a little bit of a sore throat and literally she's had the hiccups for like 3 or 4 days now. Like on and off, like really bad to where they're like driving her nuts. So if any of you guys have any like ideas of what that could be or cures or anything, put it in the comments below. It's just, I don't know what's causing that, but anyways, we will see you guys tomorrow. We do daily vlogs every single day. And remember guys, always look on the bright side.